yoga friends. Before we start today's fun yoga adventure, don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new yoga session. In this video, we're going to enjoy easy and playful yoga poses that help your body feel strong, flexible, and relaxed. Take a deep breath, stretch your body, and get ready for some fun yoga time together. Let's begin our yoga journey. Slowly unroll your mat with calm hands. Take a deep breath in and feel ready for something peaceful and strong.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Stand tall like a strong mountain. Breathe in deeply and feel your body growing steady and confident.
And wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Reach your arms up to the sky. Breathe in slowly and feel space opening all through your body.
So instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Slowly fold forward. Let your head feel heavy. Breathe out gently and relax your thoughts down toward the floor.
But I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious. You think you're worth my time. You're delirious. Mysterious because you hide behind a fake
Lift your
exterior.
chest halfway. Stretch your spine long. Breathe in deeply and feel your focus turning on like a bright light.
I want you to feel free from the chains at last and to believe in what you got. It was built to last. Yeah. Now that I've been put through hell.
Press your hands into the mat. Lift your hips high. Breathe slowly and feel your whole body stretching away.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Step 1 foot forward. Lift your chest tall. Breathe in slowly and feel strong and steady from the ground up.
I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take
Stretch
away.
your arms wide, bend your front knee, breathe steadily, and feel brave and focused like a quiet hero.
Unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off.
Stand on one foot. Find one steady spot to look at. Breathe slowly and feel your balance becoming stronger.
Every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Wrap your arms gently, bend your knees a little, breathe in and out slowly, and feel your attention gathering in one place.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll
Bend your
always
knees
show up
softly,
and make a statement.
reach your arms forward, breathe steadily, and feel your legs growing strong and steady.
The fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Sit tall with your legs stretched out. Press your hands gently down. Breathe in deeply and feel your spine grow long and proud. Lean forward slowly from your hips. Breathe out softly and let your mind become quiet and calm. Bring the soles of your feet together, sit up tall, breathe slowly, and feel your body opening gently like butterfly wings. Sit comfortably, close your eyes softly, breathe in through your nose and out slowly, and feel your focus becoming clear and bright. Fold your body down gently, rest your forehead on the mat, breathe slowly, and feel safe, calm and peaceful. Press your hands into the mat, round your back slowly, breathe out fully, and feel your spine stretching like a sleepy cat. Lift your chest softly, look forward gently, breathe in deeply, and feel your heart opening wide. Bring one knee across your body, stretch your arms wide, breathe slowly, and feel your back relaxing deeper with every breath. Lie completely still. Let your arms and legs relax. Breathe slowly and quietly, and feel your mind clear, like a bright blue sky.